Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Puerto Rican-style shrimp soup. We'll begin by preparing our core ingredients. You'll want about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined for that perfect taste. Don't forget your homemade sofrito components, like 1 green bell pepper, 1 onion, and 4 cloves of garlic. Also, have 4 to 6 cups of chicken or fish broth on hand, along with some root vegetables such as 2 medium potatoes and 1 small yasha. These are the building blocks for an authentic and hearty soup. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Start by sautéing your homemade sofrito in a large pot with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cook it until it's wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in 8 ounces of tomato sauce and a teaspoon of annatto oil for that beautiful color and depth. Pour in your 4 to 6 cups of chicken or fish broth, bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for at least 15 minutes. This step is crucial for developing a rich base. With our flavorful broth simmering, it's time to add the heartier ingredients. Carefully introduce your diced potatoes and yasha into the pot. These root vegetables will absorb all those wonderful flavors. Let them cook until they are tender, which typically takes about 10 minutes. Once the vegetables are nearly done, add your prepared shrimp. They cook very quickly, so only let them simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, just until they turn pink and opaque. This prevents them from becoming rubbery. We're almost ready to enjoy this delicious soup. For a fresh, vibrant finish, stir in about 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro or parsley just before serving. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed, ensuring it's perfectly balanced to your liking. Ladle the hot shrimp soup into bowls and serve it immediately, perhaps alongside a comforting side of white rice. For an extra burst of flavor, offer a lime wedge for a squeeze of citrus. Enjoy your homemade Puerto Rican shrimp soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.